Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can remove objects within a block without using the block editor. Let's examine the function for removing objects within a block in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on Remove Object in the block. Select the object you want to remove from the block. Once selected, the object is immediately removed and can be verified. You can also edit multiple blocks simultaneously, not just one block. Once the selection is complete, press Enter to finish the command. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to remove objects within a block. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.